Hey, so if your VLC video is not syncing with audio, yeah, like the sound is ahead of the video or the video is lagging behind the audio, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, close VLC completely and reopen it. Then reload the video file to reset playback. Next, yeah, go to Tools, then Track Synchronization, and adjust the audio delay until it matches the video. Now, use VLC's keyboard shortcuts to quickly sync audio and video while it's playing. Yeah, try a different video file. If only one file is broken, the issue is with the file itself. Now, hardware acceleration can sometimes cause sync issues. Try disabling it in VLC settings. Yeah, switch the video output module. DirectX or OpenGL can fix playback sync problems. Now, Windows audio enhancements can also break sync. Try turning them off in sound settings. Yeah, resetting VLC preferences can fix corrupted settings that cause audio-video mismatch. If nothing works, update or reinstall VLC. This resets everything and fixes deeper playback issues. So yeah, that's how you fix VLC video not syncing with audio. Most of the time it's playback settings, hardware acceleration, or file issues. Try these steps and your video should be perfectly in sync again. Thanks for watching.